So you've done it. You have spent months, maybe even longer, building the absolute perfect generative AI training program. The content is incredible, the platform is slick, but here's the reality check. Without a killer launch strategy, even the best program can and often does fall completely flat. Today, we're going to build the blueprint to make sure all that hard work actually pays off.
And just so you know, the blueprint we're looking at today comes straight from Chapter 9 of a tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. This is stuff that's based on real-world, practical experience. All right, let's jump in.
Okay, let's be honest. This is where the rubber really meets the road, right? You can have the most amazing content, but if the rollout fizzles out, what was the point? The launch isn't just some final step. You could argue it's the only step that really matters when it comes to getting people to actually use this stuff.
And that is exactly why we need a roadmap. This is not about just, shooting out a company-wide email and just hoping people show up. No. This is about a careful, step-by-step plan that turns your brilliant ideas into a program that brings real, measurable value to the business.
A smooth launch is never an accident. It's built on a rock-solid foundation. We're going to break that foundation down into 4 absolutely essential pillars that you have to have in place before even one single employee tries to log in.
So here they are, your 4 non-negotiables. You've got the tech, the content, the people, and the help. If you can nail these 4 things, you are well on your way to a huge win. So let's dig into what each of these really looks like in practice.
First up, the technical stuff. I know it sounds basic, but trust me, this is where so many launches live or die. Can people actually log in without a problem? Is the content loaded and tested in your learning management system, your LMS? Does it talk to your other systems like your CRM? And maybe most importantly, is your tech support team actually ready for the calls they're about to get? You can't just assume this stuff works. You have to verify everything.
Okay, next up, the materials themselves. Every single module needs that final stamp of approval. And the exercises, they can't just be theoretical. You need to have a real pilot group test them to work out all the kinks. And make sure all your other docs, the job aids for learners, the guides for your trainers, are all finalized and in their hands.
Pillar number 3 is huge. It's all about getting the organization ready. This means you need visible, and I mean visible and active support from your executives. It means every manager knows exactly what's expected of them and what their role is. And this is critical. You have to define what success looks like before you start. You need those baseline metrics so you can actually track your impact. And finally, support. It's a simple question. When a learner gets stuck, where do they go? Your help desk has to be trained on the specifics of this program. A peer mentor program? That's a fantastic idea. And you need clear, open channels for feedback. Scheduling some office hours with experts right from the beginning, that sends a powerful message that you're serious about helping everyone succeed. Okay, so the checklists are done, the tech is ready to go, but now we have to make a really important shift from the what to the who. Because at the end of the day, a successful launch is about people, not platforms. Getting that stakeholder buy-in, that is what will make or break this entire thing. I mean, think about it. You could add the most flawless tech, the most brilliant, engaging content in the entire world. But if your people aren't on board, and I mean everyone, from the top executives right down to the frontline agents, your program just won't fly. It's as simple as that. Now this is really fascinating. Take a look at this. This is data from over 50 enterprise rollouts, and the story it tells is crystal clear. The 2 groups that overwhelmingly determine your success are your executive leaders and your direct managers. Their active, visible support, it isn't just a nice to have, it's the whole game. Just getting a quiet nod of approval, that is a recipe for failure.
And this slide shows us exactly why that support is so critical. You have to speak their language. Your executives, they're thinking about ROI, business impact, and security. But your frontline agents, they're asking completely different questions. They want to know, is this easy to use? How does this make my day better? And where do I go for help when I get stuck? You have to be fluent in both of these languages to get genuine buy-in from everyone.
So let's wrap this up and boil this whole roadmap down. If you only remember 2 things from this entire blueprint, please make it these 2.
First, that detailed 4-pillar pre-launch checklist is your absolute best friend. It's what prevents that day 1 chaos and gives your program a foundation to build on. And second, winning the active, vocal support of your managers and executives isn't just a task on a list. It is the single most important thing you will do, period. They are your most critical audience.
So there you have it. That's the blueprint for a successful launch. The plan is clear, the steps are all laid out.
The only real question left is the one you need to take back to your team tomorrow morning. Is your organization truly ready to make this happen?